This is the continuation of my previous video, Spring Security. So in previous video we actually stopped on this class JwtAuthenticationFilter, where we wrote a method, but actually we have some dependencies to some other classes. So right now in this scenario we are trying to solve that dependency issue. So this one, some of the dependencies are Spring Security specific one, so that we can add from here itself. But for some other dependencies like this one also, security based one, and JwtTokenUtil, actually we need to add something, and this one also I guess import class. I am not sure whether there is any signature exception. So let me figure out these two, because I know these two things I need to define. I need to create these two methods inside JwtTokenUtil. So basically maybe we can create the method without from here itself, and also from this one I can create a method here also. So that's dependency is solved, and the next thing, this that I need to make sure whether they are trying to import their own or whether it's a custom based. So maybe it's a custom, or otherwise custom exception, or otherwise it's Spring Security exception itself. It's a web JSON web token expired JWT exception, and the other thing also include on that. So what I'm going to do is type this too. So this is coming from the form dependency, so that's also solved. So I know here I have some issues. So what is this issue mean? Now resolve symbol chain. So chain actually coming from here. So you're familiar with chain, I mean the filter chain whenever a request is happening to a web server, right? There will be lot of filters that will run before the request is going to our business logic. So that's actually mentioning is using this filter chain. So right now our topic is like we need to go through this method, doFilterInternal, how it's work. So I have a header, so I am getting that header from my request, HTTP server request, and I am checking whether it's a null. If it is not null, and header start with the token prefix, we all know that, I mean I know that and also you guys know that token prefix bearer. So it is bearer, start with the bearer, we will go to the this if loop. So in this if loop I am replacing the token prefix with this one. So I have the old token, and from that I am getting the username. That's the only thing happening here. There are a couple of exceptions that's probably happening here. Expired JWT token exception, signature exception, you don't need to worry about that. It's actually we will get from this method, not from this method. If something bad happen on this method, it will throw the exception, right? So that's pretty catchy. It will throw the necessary exception from here. And the other thing if it is not header, is not present, then just a logo not find the string, will ignore the header. And after that, I already defined username of token. Username is not equal to null, so get authentication is equal to null. I need to set the get authentication. So security context folder, there's a Spring security context. I mean, it is a place where all the information about the session information is stored in the context itself. So whether is the customer is authenticated or not, that's I actually stored here. So in that case, what? So if it is username is not now, using the username, it will return the user details, and then validate token. If validate token is okay, authentication token. So here I'm getting an authentication token and to user details. I will forward to them and it will validate. We will see what will include in the validate token in next video. And then username password authentication, username password authentication token. Then we will pass these things to new symbol granted authority role admin, or any other roles also possible, I guess. And that's exactly happening in this case. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Remaining I will discuss later on the next video.